Let's see how you can effectively use this action button on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. So the thing is very simple. In default, if you long press the action button, silent mode will be activated. If you again long press, it will be turned off. So when you buy the iPhone, it will work like this. If you want, you can easily change that. Open settings, scroll down and open action button. The thing is, here you can see multiple options: camera, focus, DND, silent mode, and torch, music, translate, and controls. So where this page located? If it's located to silent mode, this action button will be used as silent button. If this page were selected, this button will act as DND button, do not disturb button. Here you can see now the camera. If I long press, you can see. If you want to capture, here you can capture. So here you can select the options. If you want to open selfie camera or directly video or portrait, anything, you can do those things. If you want to use this action button as torch, select this and that's it. You can use this as Shazam or magnifier. Then this is the main thing, controls. You can use this action button as any feature. You just came to controls and click choose a control. Now you can select any of this option. So there is a lot of options here. For me, I go with talk to Siri. After you select it, just click back and that's it, it's selected. If I press this action button, long press action button, Siri will listen to my voice. If you don't like this side button as Siri, you just turn off that on settings and use this action button as Siri to recognize your voice. So now I just came here. So like this you can select any of these options. So there is a lot of options here. You can choose any of those. If you want to change this to default silent, you just move like this and back and that's it. If I long press, silent mode off. So if you want to use this as selfie camera, just select this and select selfie and that's it, back. Here we go. So this is how you can use this action button on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max. And if you want to know more videos about this iPhone 17, watch this playlist.